just finished up doing the grass, so it's all the way around. We've covered up our little hill. And before we put the other two pieces of the body on, I want to start doing the little feet or the little booties. I'm going to do them in the green. And I have some just regular black string licorice here. And those are going to be for the legs. And the reason I do it first, if I put the other pieces on, then you can't really get in there. And I need to be able to get in there. So these I'm going to cut in half. These are about, let's see, about 2 inches long. Doesn't have to be exact. I mean, this one might be slightly longer. I'm not going to cut it. What I'm going to do is push it into the body. So if one's too long, you can just push it into the body a little bit more. Okay, so for the little booties, what we're going to do is take some of the same green fondant that we used for the head. Okay, and I want to roll it into a ball first. And then if I put my hands this way, roll it into a little bit more of a teardrop shape, like this. Flatten it a little bit, and then lift this up. You can see how that would be like a little shoe. And then the licorice will go in like this. This will be the leg. Kind of have to lift this up a little bit. Because when I push this in, the fondant wants to sink down, so you have to just build it back up a little bit. Okay, so we'll do that. And then we'll start over here, and we're going to have one leg coming out of this purple part of the body right here. So push it in, and then just kind of let the leg fall wherever it needs to. Ta-da! There we go. Okay, and then we'll do one on the other side. Okay, so start with the ball. Drop your hands into a V shape. Notice that the bottom of my hands are not touching. When you touch at the bottom, you tend to make it too tight, too pointy. So again, a ball, open V, roll back and forth a couple times, place it down, start to flatten this and bend this part upward. Take the licorice. This one is going to end up being a little too long, so I'm going to cut some of that off. Push that in. Remember, just bring this back up. Okay, and this is where it gets tricky to get in here. Okay, so I want to push it in. And then kind of let it fall down here like it's climbing up. Climbing up that other cake there. Okay? That's why these aren't on here, because that's where they would kind of get in the way. Okay, so now I can go ahead and I can put the next one on, which would be the pink one. Would go right here. Okay, we'll do another little booty. It's going to come from this area here. I was going to do it in the pink, but it actually needs one in the purple for it to make a little bit more sense. I'm going to go ahead and put the yellow one on, be the last one there. Alright, so some of the legs are going to hang off a little bit, and because it's right on the edge of the cake, I need to support that. So I have some spaghetti. I'm going to actually place the spaghetti in at this angle like this. I'm going to take it, put this in here, and kind of jab that into the cake to help support it. There we go. And then the inside, and I think I'll probably put one on that purple, but on the inside there's not enough room for the legs in there, so we're going to fake it. We're just going to put, we're going to put the leg. There's just not enough room for the actual feet. So we're going to bend this down like the feet are in the grass. And then we can take some of this, add some grass around here. It's not like he's walking in the sky.